goodness. The wildflowers are just glorious. Glorious. And getting lots of sacral and solar plexus energies that are ready to be upgraded and adjusted, integrated. It's not that great of a angle. We'll try this way. That's still not very good. Maybe do that way. Yeah, you can get some ocean view. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay. Well, I guess that's like, it's hard to tell with my glasses on. A little bit of ocean view there. Let's see, maybe we can try and do that way, even more ocean view. Who doesn't love the ocean? Oh, hello, ants. Hormigas. Yesterday I was meditating by my favorite spot by my house, and it was on an anthill. Thankfully they weren't too bothered by me. They were pretty peaceful ants. I just had like one that eventually gave me a little, hello, you're on our home. So anyways, ant energy, community, that's coming through lately. I had a bluebird in front of my car this morning. Seen squirrels, lizards, raven yesterday in my yard as I was being in the moment, and just peeked out my window and there he was. These all might be messengers for you too. The wind is here to help us. Thank you. And I'm going to connect with the elements. Thank you, air. Thank you, water. Sacred waters, ocean, waters, earth, fire. And I got some fiery flower that jumped out at me on the floor of my walk today. Solar, the soul, the lunar, the moon, ether, spirit, and all the other kingdoms here helping us. Plants, birds, dragons. And connecting in with my Holy Grail essence to allow you to feel into yours.